In this lesson, we are going to learn verb fini. Fini means finish in English. So it is a second group verb in French. So how we can identify it is a second group verb? So whenever you find a verb which is ending with IR, and if it is a regular verb, then it's considered as a second group. Okay. So now let's see the conjugate, how to conjugate. Look at in the table. So it is all our subjects. This is conjugation of verb fini, and this is the pronunciation with subject, and this is meaning in English. Now let's look one by one. Je finis, je finis. Tu finis, tu finis. Il finit, il finit. Nous finissons, nous finissons. Vous finissez, vous finissez. Elle finissent, elles finissent, they finish. Okay, so you can practice multiple times. So definitely you can be master in verb fini. So now there are some few verb like which is ending with IR like this, IR. Okay, IR. So you can conjugate in same way. So look at here. I see here with ju, is, tu, is, elle, you can add it, nous with ISSONS, with vous, ISSEZ, elle, ISSENT. Just remove IR and add this according to the subject. Okay. So there are few also verb same like fini, which is ending with IR, you can conjugate in same pattern. Like look at all the verb fini with all the verb ending with IR. So you just remove IR and add IS, IT, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT according to the subject. Suppose if you write here with tu, so it is GROSSIS. So most of students make the mistake with nous. How to conjugate with nous? Grossir. Grossir means gain weight. With nous, you have to write like this: GROSS again ISSONS. You have to remove only IR and add as it is ISSONS. With vous, it will be remain same. Okay. So you have to remove just IR and add this ending as it is. Clear? So you can conjugate any second group of verb in this pattern. Just remove the last ending IR and add this part. Clear? Now let's see some example of verb fini. Je finis mes devoirs. Je finis mes devoirs. I finish my homework. Nous finissons le dîner. We finish dinner. Ils finissent le match. They finish the match. Okay. Now, how we can say we finish in French? Write in the comment. We finish in French. All right. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.